Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Great 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1-car garage home located in Holiday, Florida, close to the Gulf of Mexico. Great starter retirement home. Seller states the AC was replaced in 2024 and roof was replaced in 2019. Fenced backyard with side entry gates on both sides of this corner lot with shed included and screened lanai area. Make this your own tropical getaway, or this could be a great income investment as a rental or with Airbnb potential with no homeowners association fees or deed restrictions and with great tourist attractions all nearby. Holiday is located on the west coast of Central Florida, just minutes from the Gulf of Mexico waters known for famous tarpon fishing, sponge docks, and scalloping. Did I mention all the one-tank trip options to places like #1 voted world-famous Clearwater Beach and St. Pete Pier, Buccaneer Bay and Weeki Wachee Springs Water Park, home of the Mermaids with river access for kayaking and tubing? This area has miles of bike trails, horseback riding and motocross, and lots of golfing options nearby, plus all the US 19 shopping, restaurants and medical. Plus quick commute to Central Florida theme parks and Tampa area cruise ship ports, theaters, and museums, plus major league and college sporting events.